What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one again, like every other video, I need to just request everyone to please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's get all the views up, everything up. We need to, sort that out, people, man. Come on. Yeah, so like, comment, share, subscribe. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. Literally, I can feel it. I can feel the 3,000 coming, man. Come on, people. And then click that bell icon as well, so you're notified when I drop a new video. I'm trying to go heavy on the content. But that's enough from the intro. Let's get into it. Tracksuit season. So it's Nike tracksuit season. For me, I've got a few other tracksuits, but I think it's the Nike one. Winter, it's good to have a few Nike pickups. This one's actually a Jordan one. And I didn't know about the sizing, so I went up one size because last time I bought a Jordan tracksuit, it didn't fit me. And that was quite annoying. So I went up one size because I wanted it to be kind of oversized anyway. For this one especially, it's just a plain one, but it is what it is. In terms of sizing advice, unfortunately, I'm not going to be giving any to anyone, as I just don't know. But it seems quite good so far, actually. Yeah, let's have a look at the joggers first. So the label says standard fit. Yeah, it's literally standard fit, so that means they're loose fit probably. Yeah, that's what they feel like, or they could be. But I don't mind. I wanted them to be a loose fit anyway, so standard fit, no problem. Inside label, it's got a little hang thumb thing, the label, all that good stuff. I did see that it's got something stitched in on the back. Looks like Michael Jordan's signature. We've got those long, very long Jordan on there. Let me just throw that to the side. So the strings have got Jordan on it, very long as well. Then we got that Air Jordan logo that's stitched in, just plain simple. And then at the bottom we've got the cuffs. I don't usually like these cuffs, if I'm honest. I'm used to the more tech fleece cuffs or any other cuffs. For example, just another one. Where's the cuff gone? This cuff. I prefer this cuff, to this cuff, but it is what it is. I'm definitely going to see how the tracksuit fits, because if it's too oversized or if it's just crazy big, I'm not keeping it. I'll just send it back. But this is just like a normal standard tracksuit from Jordan. I do like the grey to it, so it's like kind of not dark grey but not a light grey. It's like kind of in the middle of both of them. And then we've got the hoodie, which does feel like a heavyweight hoodie, if I'm honest. We've got the hoodie with the Jordan logo. It's also got that essentials type hood with no strings in it. To be honest, I prefer strings in the hood for some reason, man. I don't like these hoods with no string, but it's just personal preference. Got the kangaroo pocket, goes straight through. It does feel quite warm and quite heavy duty, or heavy I should say. And then we've got the cuffs, the cuff that should have been on the jogger, to be honest. And then again, it looks like the signature, Michael Jordan and all that stuff. Yeah, so this is just like the core normal standard grey tracksuit from Nike and Jordan brand. I definitely have to try it on to see what it fits like, how the fit is. I just wanted to make a quick video and just show everyone what it kind of looks like. Just my thoughts on it. Not that they matter, but it's always good to make a bit of content for everyone. Definitely do like it, yes. Providing, basically, if it fits like an essentials tracksuit, I don't mind. Just, slightly oversized, nothing too crazy. If it fits way too oversized, then I might not keep it. I might just send it back. but I don't mind if it fits kind of oversized, like essential, as I wanted it to fit oversized. I didn't want it to be one of those tight ones. I just wanted it to be one of those, you know, comfy casual day type vibes. But that's literally it from the review and what I think of it, to be honest. The fun bit starts. I just got to fold it all up and that. But please, everybody who is watching, if you've made it this far, please leave a like, leave a comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Let's discuss this stuff. Click the bell icon just so you can get all the updates on new videos. And most importantly, take care, people.